hiring challenges that if you're interested, you can take part in. So stay tuned. Okay, so as you can all see, Flipkart is back with Grid 3.0, and there are three challenges all in all. One is for software, the other one is information security, and the third one is robotics. The prizes worth are 6 lakhs. And not only are they offering pre-placement interviews for internships, but also full-time roles. So eligibility for this hiring challenge is basically all the years are eligible except for pass outs. So unfortunately they can't participate. We will just show one of the challenge. Yes, as you can see, you can registrations are open till 8th of July, and you are supposed to take part with in a team with 2 to 3 members. To know more about this challenge, you can go and check out their site. The same will be in the description box below.
Along with this Dare to Compete site, we can go on this site and apply for jobs and internships. As you can see, we will go into a job and internship section. We will click on trending, and you can see various type of internships. You can come here and apply for it. There are many companies like Sony Data Science Software Development Internship at Amazon and all. You can just check it out. Also, the link for this will be in the description box below.
So next is the Siemens Fresher Hiring Challenge. As you can see, it has already opened since June 25th and it closes on July 4th. So you better hurry up. And the duration is 3 hours. So it's basically a test consisting of 10 MCQs and 2 programming questions that you'll be required to solve. Now, coming to the eligibility criteria, as you can see, it's for off campus freshers 2019 and 2020 batch. So 21 is not there. And they are also okay with 2017 and 2018 graduates with experience. So talking about the educational eligibility, BE, BTech, ME, MTech is they want BE, BTech, ME, and MTech people in the relevant fields. And the skills that they're looking for is C++, Java, Embedded C Hash, and .NET.
So the next two companies are HP and Dell. As you might already be knowing about both of the companies, known for their laptops. Now, HP is offering a position for software engineer at Bangalore, Karnataka, and it's looking for people who has completed their bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, information systems, or equivalent, and it's for typically for 0 to 2 years of experience. Means freshers can also apply. That is 2020, 2021, both are eligible for it. As you can see, knowledge and skill sets are required is problem solving skills, understanding designing tools and some of the languages, and software applications. Coming to the second one, that is Dell. Dell is also offering software engineering position, that is SC1. So as you can see, it's a software engineering one position just similar to SD1. So freshers of batch 2021 and 2020 can apply for it, and they have just mentioned what you will be doing there, and some of the requirements. Debugging skills should be good understanding of hardware and software interactions. So the next company is LTI. So LTI, that is LNT. So it is offering up a position for software engineer. Location will be Pune, and as you can read out some of the skills, it is more into a web application development, Angular, Node.js, React, HTML, MySQL, Bootstrap. So it all combines to be a full stack development role. So you can come here and apply for it. As such, no experience is mentioned on it, or so all new grads can apply for it. The next company is Uber. So everyone knows what Uber is. So they are giving a software engineering full stack position, and it here also no such experience is mentioned. Next up is IQVIA. So they are also offering software engineering position for SE1, location Bangalore, Karnataka, India. And here again, no job such experience requirement is mentioned, but you should be having skills of SQL, DBMS, uh, mostly a database type of role. And yes, all the other things you can come up here and read. The link will be provided in the description box below. Next is JP Morgan Chase. As you already have seen our previous videos, they are actively hiring new recruits, and the position is now Associate Software Engineering. And the job roles and all will be listed up here. So they need people knowing about Java, Spring, Hibernate, Maven, Linux, and front end things like React, Angular JS, and other things. So do check it out too. Hmm.
Okay, so the next job opportunity is for an associate analyst offered by Electronic Arts, that's EA. The location is in Hyderabad, Telangana, and it doesn't have work from home. So आपको जाके काम करना पड़ेगा. Um, yeah, coming to the experience that they want, they're looking for candidates who are good with SQL, R, and Python, and also with visualization tools like Tableau. And there's no such eligibility criteria that's mentioned for this job role.
सो जितने भी जॉब अपडेट्स हमने अभी बताई सबकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में होगी. सो आई थिंक दिस जॉब अपडेट्स माइट बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. एंड जिन लोगों को जॉब रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगी या दोस्तों को जॉब्स ढूंढ रहे होंगे उनमें ये वीडियो प्लीज़ शेयर करो. एंड तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.